Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's April, and Scentsy had a pretty big clearance sale about a week or so ago, and I went in 3 times and 2 of those orders have arrived. I'm still waiting for one other order, but I just decided to show you guys what I got so far. There are some wax bars and non-wax items, so let's just jump right in, and I think we'll start with the wax. So there were actually quite a few scents that were in the clearance sale, and these were all scents that I have never tried, so I really wanted to get my hands on them and kind of stock up, because who knows when I'm going to be able to get them again. Maybe never. So I picked up 6 bars of Cranberry Garland, and I'll go ahead and I'll smell it first, and then I'll give you guys the scent description. So here we go. Okay, right off the top, cranberries. Definitely cranberries. They're not overly sweet. There's a bit of tartness to it. Let's smell the bottom. Okay, on the bottom, I'm not getting cranberry. It's almost like a woodsy note, but I wouldn't be able to pick out which type of wood. It's interesting. I think I like the top better than the bottom. So I'll go ahead and read you guys the notes. So it's sweet tart cranberries, sage, and pine cones. So that kind of makes sense. I think maybe that's the sage, the pine cones that I'm smelling on the bottom. Yeah, overall it's pretty good. I have 6 bars, so yeah, I'm gonna be excited to warm that. Okay, the next thing, kind of a controversial one, and I didn't know going in that this was a controversial scent. I picked up 6 bars of Perfect Pumpkin Pear. So I saw them and I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to get 6 bars of everything. So I put in the 6 bars, and later on that night I kind of went through YouTube and was like, oh, you know, what are people saying about the scents? And there were some interesting things about this, and I was kind of scared. I've heard it be referred to as vomit, just like a weird smell. So I don't know, a little scared, but let's just go for it. It sounded good in the description. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I don't get vomit at all. That's a good thing. Ooh, I get pumpkins for sure, and I think I think it's like pear, or it could be green apple. It's like that kind of a, maybe green apple and pears. And I feel like I'm getting a cinnamon note and sugary, like a sugary cinnamon, bakery cinnamon. Okay, I like it, at least on the top. Let's smell the bottom. Okay, the bottom smells the same to me. Maybe a little bit more pumpkin on the bottom. Okay, I'm happy I got 6. I was scared. So I'll go ahead and I'll read the scent description. So Scentsy says it is juicy pear, sweet honey, ooh, ginger root. Oh wait, no, that's not the right one. I'm sorry. Ha! I was reading a different one. Okay, fresh pumpkins, okay, crisp golden pears, clove, and sandalwood. Okay, yeah, I definitely think I get the notes. I don't know if I really necessarily pick out cloves, but definitely like a spice, but it's not like a crazy spicy spice. Yeah, I like this one. That is Perfect Pumpkin Pear. I can breathe now. I was scared. Okay, the next bar or bars that I picked up were 6 of the Christmas Cactus. I try to get my hands on all of them. I've got a small hands. So yes, I'm excited to try this one. Again, I looked up our YouTube videos and people had kind of pleasant things to say, so let's just smell it. Ooh. Okay, this is really nice. It's kind of, I don't think it's really like a Christmas scent. It's more like a fresh, clean kind of a scent. And I almost think I'm getting some kind of citrus note. I don't think it's orange, and not necessarily lemon. Maybe lime, but I don't know, maybe the green's playing tricks on me. I just think lime because it's green. But it's like a zesty citrus. I like it. Let's smell the bottom. Just like a bright, airy, refreshing, clean scent. Kind of like an energizing scent. Not really sure what else. But it's really nice. I like it. It'll be kind of a neat little treat. So let's see. We're the right one this time. Okay. Okay. Agave nectar, citrus, and Siberian fir. Okay, so citrus doesn't say which kind, but I'm kind of thinking maybe lime. So yeah, I like that. That'll be a nice little Christmas treat that's not so Christmassy, because I'm in San Diego and it's like Christmas. We don't get Christmas weather. Okay, next up we're going to go with the honey pear cider. And again, I picked up 6 bars of this. Try to get my hands around them. You can see. I've heard really great things about this, so I am excited. Yeah, this is really good. I definitely get pears, a little bit of spice, a lot of sweetness. That is really good. I see what all the hype is about. And I'm wondering, why did Scentsy not bring this back? Because it's not in the catalog. I think it was last year. I think a lot of people were kind of shocked that it didn't come back. So, okay, we have juicy pear, sweet honey, ginger root, cinnamon, and clove. Okay, that makes sense. Honey, interesting. I wouldn't pick out honey necessarily, even though that's in the title, so I should. But just the sweetness, I definitely get that. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I'm kind of sad that it didn't come back. It's weird. Honey pear cider. It's a good one. I think the only one so far is the perfect pumpkin pear that's still available so far of what I've just shown. So I don't know. I like that one. No vomit. Okay, next up we have Snow-Kissed Cranberry. And pardon my reach, I'm sorry. I picked up 6 bars of this, and I actually placed another order for the 3rd one that's not here yet. I picked up 3 more bars of this because I heard so many good things about it, and a few other bars that I didn't get in the previous 2 rounds, and then some consultant items. So I will go ahead and smell this and tell you what I think. Ooh, okay, yeah, that is so good. It's sweet and juicy and a little tart. Definitely get the cranberry. The bottom smells the same as the top. It's like a sugary cranberry scent. I think maybe a little bit of woods, but it's very, very light. Ooh, I like that. Scentsy, why is this not in the catalog this year? This is so great. Okay, so let's see the scent descriptions. Oh, frozen pink cranberries, white balsam, and sugared woods. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so good. I think this is my favorite by far so far. Yeah. Sun-kissed or snow-kissed cranberry. Really, really good. Okay, and then the last wax that I have for this video, because I'm still waiting for my other ones, is Just For You. And in true April fashion, I picked up 6 bars because they all had to be the same. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a sniff. Ooh, very, very Christmassy. Definitely get the tree notes. And I've actually discovered I do like the Christmas tree notes. That's good. So this is definitely a Christmas tree scent. I think if you think of, Christmas trees, this would be it. There's a little something sweet in it. It's not really sweet, but just a hint of something sweet that I actually like. I think it enhances the tree notes. Yeah, definitely a woodsy scent, and I do like this one. Just For You. It's a pretty color as well. I think this is still available if you like it or if you haven't tried it yet. So I'll go ahead and read the description. Okay, wild blackberries, fir balsam, and pine needle. So, okay, the sweetness would probably be the wild blackberries. Didn't necessarily get like a fruitiness, but like that little hint of sweetness that kind of balances it. I really like that. Okay, so that's it for the wax. Now, let's see. Let's go over the oils that I purchased. I got 2 of these. This is the passion fruit bamboo flower, and I originally had in my cart the coconut sugar oil, and that one disappeared when I was checking out, so that one must have been really popular. So I actually opened one of these already. I want to make sure I only open the one that I opened, and I'll let you know what I think. Now this is very heavy on the woods, in my opinion. There's a little fruitiness, but it's like really, really slight. Passion fruit, bamboo flower. I don't have like scent notes besides that, but it's okay. I'm kind of bummed about the coconut sugar. I think that one would have been amazing, but yeah, I'm happy with this. I have some other oils, so maybe I can add a fruit and, make it a little more fruity or sweeten it up. But yes, I purchased 2 of those. Then I picked up some of these bracelets because they were way marked down. I picked up 3 of each. Coconut daiquiri and blue agave and melon. I love blue agave melon, everything. So I had to get this. So I'll just open one up really quickly. I think I'm going to use these for hostess gifts. And maybe throw it in some bags of for my customers. Let's see if I can do this without tearing it. Oh, that's so pretty. Just a really pretty bracelet. Oh, it smells good. Like that. I believe these were $3.60 and normally $12, so that was a really good discount. Okay, the last thing that I have for this round is a warmer. And I've heard so many wonderful things about this warmer, and when I saw it on clearance, I was like, I need this. I purchased the Stone Leaf warmer, and it's a ceramic warmer. I believe it's 25 watts, and last I checked, this is still available. I've seen videos on its performance, and it seems to be amazing, and it's actually really pretty. The pictures online look understated, but I think it's gorgeous. It's not flashy. It's just really, really nice and elegant in its own little way. So, just the dish. I'm not going to turn it on. I'm just going to show you guys it. It's a really simple warmer. This is the base. And it's kind of a different color on the bottom. I will take the plastic off. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put this, but I will find a spot for this. Yeah, that's just so pretty. The little leaves, you can kind of see the texture. It's really, really nice. I think it will do me well. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. When my next order for my round 3 comes in, I will go ahead and post a video of that. I do have my scent of the month kit that arrived today also, and I will kind of go through that, give you my thoughts, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.